Okay, so let me get this gas tank up. I got these brackets, chrome, by my good old buddy, Apolonio Barbosa for A&B Polishing. There's a lot of chrome shops out there, I'm sure, you know, but I've known Apolonio for a good 45 years, and good or bad, I won't trade him for another chrome guy. He's my man. He's getting up there in years, but he does a good job. He treats me right, and I have respect for him. Anyway, he did a good job on these. So here's my stainless steel gas tank, polished up, and these ready to go up with this gas tank. Get it cleaned up a little bit here. I lost sleep over getting this gas tank in, and finally I'm gonna get this gas tank in before the moon comes out. And that thing's ready. It's all painted up down here. That gas tank needs to go in there so I can fire this puppy up.
You remember that time we were going to Joe Romero's funeral and you were following me? You noticed that we were leaving a little trail of gasoline everywhere?
Oh, this gas tank before, we used to scrape it every so often going up driveways, and before you know it, smell a little bit of gasoline and people coming around smoking a cigarette. And that time we were at the car show in Colton, remember? I think I put like 15 gallons in it. And all I stayed up in the parking lot over there. I had to leave because everybody was smoking cigarettes around there. Been kind of a busy week for me, but I did get a little bit accomplished on this car a little bit. We welded our battery rack to the towers. We got the pumps ready set up, but we just gotta put it all together. I got the rear power windows in, the motors. Those went in pretty easy. Actually, they bolted right in. I can't believe it. No problems. Still got to do the front. I put this gas tank in my sleep like I don't know how many times. And now we can fill it up with gas and fire this puppy up. So, yep, that's next.